What's up, YouTube? Back again with another video. So as you see right there, my voltage gauge does not work. It's constantly like this when I'm driving, and even when when the car is off. So I'm about to try to clean the leads off. I hear that's a common issue with these third gens, and we'll see if that actually fixed the problem. All my other gauges work pretty good. 20 miles per hour while the car is going, or while the car is still, that's pretty funny, but they all work good. So the first thing you need to do is just take off these screws right there. They're Torx, they're T15s. There's 2, 4, 6, there's about 8 of them. And take those off, and then this black cover will come off. Right, and now you have about 6 7/32 screws that you need to take out, and then this glass will come out. So got that glass out. On another note, this might be a little laggy right now, I'm not really sure. But on another note, right there, that's how you access like the check engine light bulb, the brake bulb, the upshift bulb, the seatbelt bulb. That's really how you do all that. Now keep in mind, just looking at it, it is a pain in the butt to take out. My check engine light bulb is actually burnt out, and so, or no, it's actually missing, not burnt out. So I need to find out a way to actually get that out. Sorry for the quality, but yeah, about to see what I can do now. Try to get this this gauge fixed. So all right, and now basically you just got these 7/32 bolts once again holding in each gauge. Now I took out 5 of them thinking that it was all one assembly, but as you see, my voltage gauge is actually right here, and you can just take off the 2 bolts and it'll actually come out as one piece. So another thing to note, if you're actually trying to take out the temp gauge, for that bottom bolt, you will need an extension and a swivel socket, because, or maybe just a, my bad, or maybe just a wrench, 7/32 wrench, because I was just using a regular ratchet, and then I was also using that Milwaukee gun down there, and neither of those would fit for that single bolt. So what I'm gonna do with this gauge, I'm just gonna clean these leads off. They look pretty clean, really. And then I'm gonna take a wire brush. I'm gonna clean it with a wire brush, and then I'm going to take a wire brush to those, and then turn the car on, and hopefully the voltage gauge is working again. So I'll be back with an update. All right, YouTube, this is the moment of truth. Got my car keys right there. Keep an eye on that voltage gauge. See if it reacts. I think that's a good sign right there. We're gonna go ahead and start it. There we go. There we go. Got all my gauges working now. It does go back down, which is weird. As long as it goes back up, then I'm happy. All right, I guess I'll give you an update on the car. Nothing's really changed. Still got the 4th gen seats in. today I actually replaced that side marker bulb that was burnt out. The car's a little dirty right now, but you know, I actually had an issue with my I don't want you guys seeing my license plate. Guess what? I don't care. Look. But actually I had an issue with my tag lights just intermittently working, and they actually have LEDs, so I actually replaced them with I went to AutoZone, and I have the little package right there, Sylvania. I think they were either 194 or 168. I think they were 194. So I think I paid $14.99 for 2 of them. So yeah, nothing's really changed with the car. Actually, the dash is cracked right there. If you can see that, yep, right there. I think that happened yesterday. I think I was messing with that flower right there, and then yeah, I just cracked. So still got that crack right there. But yeah, nothing's really changed with the car. For now, it's just gonna stay stock until I get some money saved up for an LS swap. I'm actually debating on if I should go LS7 or LS3, because I know with the LS7, I know those heads will have to come off and get replaced, because I've seen way too many people have or way too many Z06 and Z28 owners blow their LS7 at the track, just because the heads are so trash on those things. So I have to keep that in mind if I'm looking at an LS7, and I'll just be more money coming out of my pocket. I did get a new job, so hopefully this new job will pay me a lot more compared to, you know, well, it will pay me a lot more compared to my previous jobs. And so yeah, stay tuned for more updates. Like, comment, subscribe, and hey, it's car season approaching, so let's get to it, man. Peace.